Hi everybody, so here we are with the Kingfisher, the platter guys, and then here with Miss Jackie herself, the chef, owner,
Yep.
all the above.
All the above.
So really lucked out actually, because I was like, there's so many items on here, but it looks and smells so good. I'm not gonna lie. This is by far I don't think I've ever been if I've been this excited for a challenge, it's been a long time. This looks so delicious. So please, by all means, we obviously have some fresh oysters up here, but what do we got going on here?
Yeah, so you get about a half dozen of our Gulf oysters on the half shell here. These are going to be from Louisiana and Texas, always on the menu. Nice, raw, fresh, plump oysters.
Beautiful.
Smoked mussels.
Smoked.
Smoked. We have a lot of smoked, awesome stuff on the menu right now.
love smoked anything. Meat, fish, smoking, whatever. And do you guys do that here?
Yep, all smoked in-house. So we do everything in-house.
What?
Here. Yeah, everything except ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise.
What kind I'm not surprised. I buy those myself. What kind of wood do you use?
So generally we use apple wood, sometimes hickory, but most of the time we try for apple wood.
Apple, cool. So smoked mussels.
Yeah.
I don't know if I actually had smoked. I've had smoked oysters. I don't know if I had smoked mussels. First time. Are these smoked oysters as well?
Smoked oysters as well. So same Gulf, we brine them, smoke them, about 20 minutes, nice light smoke, and then you've got your other smoky item over here. That's going to be our house smoked fish. Today it's trout fillet.
Which I'm so excited about.
This gets a beautiful cure for about 3 hours, nice light cure, and then a really nice smoke on them.
Smoked fish, smoked meat speaks to my soul. I don't know, like I'm gonna die. I can't wait to try it. All right, now this is delicious because they're like, I don't enjoy overly briny. I find there's just a perfect amount of like brine, saltine.
They're nice, medium, mild is how we usually describe them.
Nice, medium, mild. Woo! Yeah, that is some strong horseradish, but absolutely delicious. I'm gonna try a little pickled onion, because why not? One more onion up. Oh my gosh, guys. Everybody. Those are some of the best oysters I've had in a long time. Yeah, it's beautiful. So crudo is raw salmon, kind of like sushi, sashimi. Some people are really against it. Let me know what you think down below. Yummy. Oh yeah, very fresh salmon. Kind of a little shot of salt on it there. Nice marinade on it. Cucumbers are great crunch. The mint is very strong, very pungent. Oh my god. That is money.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name.
The ceviche here, so this is the spicy one. Oh guys, wow. Oh sweet. Zesty from the lime. Try the green one. Okay. Nice tomatillo.
How are we faring with the ceviche?
That red one's amazing.
That's my favorite.
I love the sauce. What's in it again?
So you've got chiltepin, some chipotle, tomato, jalapeno paste. Yeah, so we make that in-house. It's a North African paste. It's gonna be smoky.
Oh my god. Guys, I've never actually said sauce. Do you see that?
You don't need a knife for ours.
You don't need teeth for this. You can eat this with just, you can take your dentures out and eat this. What's this? I've never had octopus that soft.
Well, thank you.
It is delicious. It is sweet. That harissa pepper. Oh my lord. A little salt on that. Wow. Yummy. Yeah. Oh my god. And the grill. Yummy, guys. That is some good octopus. Oh, pickle onion. Here's my palate. Next, I'm going to try this smoked trout out in It's delicious. So it smells in the house, which is crazy, butchering their own fish, apparently. Whoops. Oh, it smells so good. Let's try it out. Mmm. Yum. Yep. Right. It is tender, a little sweetness, a little salt. Oh. Oh my gosh.